Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on a flashlight for NOKIA X30. And to do this you'll need to scroll down your notification bar, scroll down again, here you can see the flashlight, click on it, it should enable. Now if you want to stop it, click on it again, it should disable. And in case you don't have this icon right here, you can go and click the pen button, then scroll down and hold and drag to add tiles. Tap right here, you should be able to see the torch or flashlight, so click, hold it and drag it up somewhere, and then it should show on this list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.